Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Laban, and over the past year, I've helped over 1,000 individuals and businesses leverage AI and workflow automation to 10x their productivity. In today's video, we are starting with the simplest possible AI agent, our automation Hello World. I'm going to show you how to build a tiny workflow in n8n that sends an email with the subject Hello World and a message that says congratulations on your first automation in n8n. If you're just getting started with automation or AI agents, this is the perfect place to begin. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working email sending agent that you build yourself. But that's not all. Stick around until the end because I'll show you how to connect Telegram to n8n so that you can send automated messages and alerts. Before we dive in, take a moment to hit that subscribe button, tap the like button, and turn on the notifications bell. We are just a month old as a channel, and your support helps us reach our first 100 subscribers even faster. With that said and done, let's dive in. So we'll begin from a clean Canva. So we are going to add our first trigger. We are going to do a chat trigger. So chat trigger. And then after that, we are going to add our AI agent. So we do AI agent. So AI agent relies on three parameters or three building blocks. That is the brain and the memory and the tool that you're calling. So for this case, you're going to choose an LLM for our brain, and we're going to go with Google Gemini. So we are doing the Gemini chat model. For those people who are new, you need to click on here and create your credentials. When you click this, you open this documentation. It will guide you on how to create your credential. But for me, I already have my credential here, so I'm not going to create because I intend this video to be very short. It's one of the simplest videos. For the memory, if you click here, it will give you options to choose for the memory. It's just plugging in the memory actually, guys. It's not something difficult. So when you click on this, I want you to choose simple memory. And then once you are done with that, I want you to add a tool. For example, click here and say, look for Gmail. So click on Gmail. The action that we are looking for in Gmail is send a message. So once you click that way, it will require also you to set credentials. If you click here, it will tell you create a new credential for Gmail. And I encourage you to read through this documentation so that you'll be able to understand. Or if you are not familiar with, there's a video I created regarding how to set up Google authentication. So you should watch that video. So basically for me, I'm going to use my credentials that I had created, this one, send email. And then the operation is sent to who? Let me just send it to myself. I'm sending it to myself. The title, like I said, Hello World. And then the subject for the message will be congratulations on your first. Congratulations on your first AI automation. So once we have that set, guys, we need to go back to the workflow. So we have the chat. We are going to chat here. And then we have the brain, which is Gemini. We have simple memory. For the AI agent, if you come and look at the system message, it's just saying you are an helpful assistant. We can add some information saying that use the send a message tool when prompted by the user. Yeah, like that. But I realized that there is something that we need to we test here. I want us to test this chat so that we can see if we are getting enter. Let's say hello. When you say hello, you realize that it's triggering this part. So we need to check what came in. You see, we have what you call chat input. Action is send a message, chat input. So I wanted to see if we can get to send a very dynamic message. Instead of coding the message, I would want us to send a very dynamic message. So let's look at this. So what you're going to send here, of course the subject will be hello world, but I want us to make the message dynamic. So we are looking for the body, which is whatever is coming in. Or rather, to avoid complicating, let's just leave it manually. Let's map it manually, because I wanted you to see how to create, I wanted you to understand how to create a very simple AI agent. So with this, I think we are ready to go. So let's just write send an email. Let's see. So as you can see, it started taking in the chat, the input, then it's pinned through the brain memory, and then now it called the tool. And if you go and check, if we go to check now our email, this is the email. If you look at all the emails, you realize that this 246, sorry, let's see, there's this email that come in, which is saying congratulations on your first AI automation. So basically, guys, that's how you set up your very simple AI agent akin to the hello world in the programming, in the coding and programming sector. So basically, for you to set up a very simple, and this is actually the basic, the simplest building block of AI agents. So if you have a chat trigger, you have an AI agent with its brain, a simple memory, and a tool like sending a message, you're able to create your first hello world in no code solutions. With that said and done, thank you so much. If you find this video very insightful, I invite you to click like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.